Over 120 bird species live in this hidden mangrove world. But how do they survive here? Welcome to Coringa Wildlife Sanctuary, where birds don't just visit, they live, hunt, and raise families. Coringa is a mangrove ecosystem. Twice a day, tides bring fish, crabs, and small creatures. That means unlimited food for birds. More than 120 species of birds are recorded here. Herons, egrets, kingfishers, kites, and migratory birds from far countries. During migration season, flamingos sometimes arrive in nearby wetland zones. They travel thousands of kilometers searching for shallow water rich in algae and tiny organisms. Each bird has its own survival strategy. Some wait still for fish, some dive, some walk in shallow mud searching for food. Coringa is not just a forest, it's a living bird city built between land and sea.